Hi guys, let's start with this blow to a cluster of Russians, Bakhmut. You can see the soldiers in the background in the beginning of the video. Also, this is so real, looks like you are right there. In Mariinka in Donetsk region, another armored personnel carrier of the occupiers added to the post-apocalyptic landscape created by them. And this is battles at Hell's Crossroads in Bakhmut. The video is from soldiers of the Ukrainian 93rd Brigade Kolody Yar. It's incredible how this video looks like a first-person shooter game. You need armor here, guys.
Да. Ум? А кто там, ебать? Братан! А ну! Пацаны, кройте! А ну! Давай вдвоем туда и пойдем, Антоном! Братан, целься через прицел, охуенно!
Да я туда дальше кинул, блядь, чтобы по улице, ты понял, блядь?
Ага.
И там, сука, где-то по улице сидят, нахуй, под забором.
Да, он прям в крышу танка выебал. Фух.
Тебя тоже трофейный, да?
Кто? Пуля, хуй его знает. Там валялся, мы не брали с собой. Ромчик, аккуратнее, они в эту стену попадают.
Another video appeared showing how military supplies are safely transported into and throughout Ukraine, using civilian delivery trucks. This is really practical solution. At this meeting, Western diplomats left the moment the Russian delegation arrived. This showed again how Russian are isolated in the modern world. And I worry that Europe is still full of idiots like this, paid for.
What has happened to Germany, the jewel of Europe? Schulz told us that there'll be no peace in Europe without Russia. First you send helmets, now you're sending tanks to kill Russians. I worry for Europe.
Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guay last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.